The Bandys Trojan Band is proud to present its field show for the 2012 marching season, Into the Raging River. Musical selections include Into the Raging River, Calm Waters, Rapids, and When the River Meets the Sea. The band is under the direction of Ben and Allison Kiesler, and under the field direction of drum majors Isabel Moon and Ashley Freeman. The hornline captain is Caleb Upchurch, the woodwinds captain is Ellie Edwards, the percussion captain is Daniel Smith, and the color guard captain is Chelsea Oliver. Show designers are Jerry Kelsey and Ron Riles. Additional instructors include Jamie Lefevers and Ashley Floyd with percussion, and Darren Morrow and Nikki Thomas for color guard. Soloists for Into the Raging River are Gerardo Ochoa on mellophone and Travis Stoll and Caleb Upchurch on trumpet. Soloists for Calm Waters are Ellie Edwards on flute and Caleb Upchurch on trumpet. Soloists for When the River Meets the Sea are Ellie Edwards and Gerardo Ochoa. The principal of Bandys High School is Mr. Tim Woody, and the superintendent of Catawba County Schools is Dr. Dan Brigman. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bandys High School Trojan Band. Are the judges ready? Drum major, is your band ready? Trojan Band, you may take the field for competition.
All rivers, even those that catch the sun in their course, all rivers go down to the ocean and come to their end. And life awaits man as the sea awaits the river. What I do flow from me like a river, no forcing and no holding back, the way it is with children. Love is like a river, never ending as it flows. Yet it gets greater with time. Life is like a river. Sometimes it sweeps you gently along, and sometimes the rapids come out of nowhere. As our souls will leave this land most peacefully, though our minds be filled with questions, and our hearts will understand. And the river